So if you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now and like this video. If you already subscribed, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in with another video with Kera Dior. Keep you ladies fine, one tutorial at a time. In today's video, I'm about to be doing a review on the Outre melted hairline. Somebody in my comments actually suggested I do a video on this hair. It wasn't many styles left in this, so I did a review on the Elora. That's the style named Elora, and the color chocolate truffle. It's really nice and it's bouncy. Like, I'm not gonna get too much into it because y'all got to watch the video. So without further ado, let's go. Sorry y'all in advance, my nose is stopped up. I'm sick, so the recording might sound off. This is the style Elora, like I said before, in chocolate truffle. It comes in 6 different colors. It has one parting area and it's a 2x5. It retailed for $62, I believe, but my beauty supply store is doing an extra 30% off. So yeah, it comes pre-plugged. It's a HD transparent lace. It's hand tied, I believe, and I'm just showing you guys. It was really soft. I can't say that it wasn't like, you know, a crunchy wig. And the lace was actually nice. It was really thin, y'all, and it's easy to work with. And I'm just showing y'all the hairline, and that's the parting. So it is really nice. I love that lace. So now I just honestly, I didn't even feel like cutting the cap or anything. I just tinted the lace with some concealer or foundation, and I also just put some along the wig cap. It comes with a wig band. I don't know why they put it all the way up there, but okay. It comes with combs and adjustable straps. Yeah, that wig band kind of threw me off. The elastic band, like, why is it all the way up there? So now I'm just putting it on, and look at the lace, y'all. Definitely easy to work with. It's not a thick lace. So it is ear to ear lace. I'm just showing you guys. Right here, y'all, I feel like I cut too much lace. As far as like by the ear part. But you're not going to be able to tell, but I could have tell by looking at this video. So just skip past that. Y'all, got this new spray. I mixed it with the glue, and y'all, that wig ain't went nowhere for a good 4 days. I was like, good God. So now right here, I'm just cutting the extra lace. This part is so satisfying. It just comes clean off. The only thing I can say about this wig, I don't like the bang area. I had to fix that because the way it came, it was just it kept twisting the wrong way. Y'all know what I mean? Like, you see? So I had just trimmed it a little bit and it had flipped the right way. Oh, also added mousse. Y'all see how the top bang is? Like that part right there was bothering me. I didn't see any shedding on this wig. You could actually comb through it and brush through it. So they really took their time with this wig, y'all. And you see how the mousse just made it lay like flat, and it doesn't have that real bumpy wig look. Y'all know how synthetic wigs have where it look like a helmet. But that looks really nice. Now I'm just about to part it down the hairline so I can make my baby hairs. And y'all see how that comb, that little tiny comb, can comb through that hair. So now I'm going in with my edge booster and also that Gots to Be spray again. Um, just to harden the edges part, because usually on synthetic wigs, the edges you make, it lifts up immediately. Um, so yeah, using that, the edges didn't move. My edges, it don't move, it don't move. Look, y'all, I slayed another wig. Quit playing with me. Y'all can't tell me this wig don't look good. Oh, woo! Who that is? Kera motherfucking Dior, honey. Slaying another motherfucking wig. Stop playing with me. So the last step, I'm about to go in with my LA Pro Girl concealer. I honestly didn't need it at all for this wig, but y'all know, you just got to do the extra step. But I honestly could have do without it. That is it for today's video. Y'all comment another wig y'all want me to review. This wig is bouncy. It's nice. I love the hairline. The lace is easy to work with. No shedding. It does not get old fast, y'all. I still have this wig and it's still the way it came. It's not brittle. It's not crunchy. And all you gotta do is put mousse on it and brush it, and it gets it right back together. Y'all need this in y'all life. No joking. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.